I've let the magic smoke out.
Mega sheds.
Nope. I'll try it again with jump leads from a backup battery. Let's see if it's that. I've let the magic smoke out. Mega Shed Diaries, 7th of December 25. I'm now going to get on with stripping apart this GSX-S125. So I've been working on making me welding art, metal art trophies. Got that done. That's on a separate video, but yeah, this shit heap is going to be pulled apart. I've been collecting spares. That's the old dead engine, and then that's what I've pulled off already, and then I've got a new exhaust and various other bits and pieces from China. So next I've got to pull this apart down to the frame. I've been doing a bit of research. I want to copy, I'll put a picture on what I'm going to try and copy. I want to put a crash bung on here because it's not great for crash protection like the Honda is to attach bits on, but before I have the frame, I might have this one powder coated because it's a bit too cold to be painting stuff at the moment. I'm going to have it sandblasted and powder coated if it's not too expensive, but first I need to weld on my boss to be able to do some crash protection there. A lot of cleaning to do. Just to note, yeah, I've spent a couple of hours, got quite a long way getting some things apart, but if you remember the last one that I took apart, I spent ages getting these out and knocking them out with center punch and drills and everything. If you've got a welder, just weld a bolt onto it. This is it's the bolt that they don't have any heads on it. It's the security bolts for the ignition. So yeah, 2 minutes with a welder, it comes straight out. Granted, not everybody has a MIG welder, but it's worth your while getting someone who has to help you out if you're doing this. So that's it. I think that's took me about 2 hours. Spent a bit of time cleaning the workshop up a bit, then started on this. And that's pretty much everything out. I need to remove the swing arm, take that apart. I've taken the shock and the linkage out, which was pretty well stuck, and I've left the forks on because I want to strip them down and rebuild them, and it's easier to take the insides out of here while it's still in the yoke. This is the right pig to do when it's in the vise. So I'm quite pleased with how far I've got there. Should have it stripped down to the component parts in the next couple of hours. And then here's the big pile of various stuff to be cleaned, thrown away, replaced, and the wheels there. Mega Shed out.